Okay, this session will helps you to install Ubuntu Linux on Windows machine. Okay, in this session, okay, before doing installation, we should have some knowledge on operating system. Okay, what is that? That is required. We need to check the operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, we need to check this is 32-bit or 64-bit. How to check this one? Let's open any folder. Okay, I have opened any folder. Okay, let's go to my computer or this PC computer. Okay, based on OS thing it will come. Okay, right click and then we can go to properties. You see here system type 32-bit operating system. Okay, this computer is this Windows machine is 32-bit operating system. In case of 64-bit operating system, it will be 64-bit operating system. It should be like this. Okay, for 32-bit you need to download different files. For 64-bit we need to download different installers, software installers. Okay, okay, keep in mind, first of all we need to check this one operating system type, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. My system is 32-bit. Okay, we need to install this. Okay, before doing that installation, what are the software requirements for this Ubuntu installation? First one is VirtualBox. VirtualBox. This is also installer. Okay, installer. We need to download 32-bit or 64-bit beta based on operating system type. Okay, okay, and then next one is Ubuntu ISO. Ubuntu ISO file. This is a .iso file, something .iso. This is also we need to download 32-bit or 64-bit based on your system. Okay. Okay, I will add entire this section in the description column. Okay, you need not worry about this. Okay, YouTube description column I will add this. Okay, in the 32-bit operating system, uh, yeah, 32-bit. It should be i386. In the website now you can see this i386. If you find this as i386, that is 32-bit. And then if it is like this x86 64, the ISO name, you see ISO name SA AMD 64. These are called 64-bit. Okay, i386 means 32-bit. This is only the identification. Okay. Okay, if I open this, this is Vagrant. Okay, to download Vagrant. No. Sorry, Vagrant. Sorry, that one. Virtual box. Okay, Oracle VM virtual box. We need to go to this link. Okay, copy. Let's see this. sorry, this is not the link. Okay, this is the correct link. Control C. Okay, this link I am copying. Okay, 32-bit virtual box, VM virtual box. 64-bit, what you need to select, I will show you here for 62-bit machines. Let's go to that link. I am pasting that link here. I am going there. Yeah, here you need to, for any 32 or 64, you need to select some older versions, 5.1 or 5.2. You better select. Okay, I am selecting 5.1. Here, Windows host, AMD 64, x86 64. 64 means this is the 64. AMD 64 means this is 64-bit operating system file. This is 16-bit operating. If you click here now, you will get a download of 64-bit. For 32-bit, AMD 64. I386 means 32-bit only. Let's see. For you can download this one. Okay, for 64-bit operating system. For 32-bit, I am checking where it should be. Let's go to 5.2. Click Windows hosts. It is directly downloading. Okay, 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay. Okay, ma. For 32-bit or 64-bit, you need to download this one only. Okay, let's download this. How much time will it take? Okay, let's stop this. I have already downloaded this. Okay, I'll use that one. Okay, for Windows machine, you need to download 5.2.44 and then Windows host. Okay, you can download this one. I have already downloaded this. VirtualBox 5.02830 Win. Okay, this one, this file. I am just installing this VirtualBox. Just okay, right click, open, just run. Okay, click next, next, next. Yes, install. It will do. Okay, it will take a few minutes to install Oracle VM VirtualBox. Here I have downloaded this downloads 5.0 I have downloaded. Okay, this is 6.1. This is not the actual download. Cancel this. It will take some time. Okay, meanwhile let's discuss on ISO file. Okay, what okay, we have got which version this let me show you once again what where I have downloaded 5.0 I have downloaded. Yeah, it is installing. Okay, this one 5.0 I have downloaded. Okay, I just go to 5.0 for 32 or 64 bit both it works I feel. I just clicked here. Okay, if I click here it will get downloaded here. Surely it will get download. Click here. Else you can download this one as you wish. I prefer 5.1 or 2. Okay, you click 5.2. Let's complete this. You click this one. Okay, it will install. Okay, this is enough. Just click install. YouTube లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా. Okay, meanwhile finishing setup, let's discuss on that ISO file. Okay, ISO file for my system is 32-bit operating system. Okay, for any middle some pop-ups come now, you just press install. Okay, for this ISO file, this virtual box is completed, and next thing is ISO file. Okay, we have to choose for my system is 32-bit OS, 32-bit operating system. Okay, I have to choose i386.iso. I have to choose this version. Okay, Ubuntu desktop i386. Okay, for 64-bit they have to choose this one, AMD 64. Okay, I'll open this one, this link. I didn't copy. Oh, no. This one. Sorry. This one I need to copy. This old res of ubuntu.com. I am downloading Ubuntu ISO file. This Ubuntu i386 ISO file. Okay. Okay. If you go to this page, you see at the end Ubuntu desktop AMD 64. If you click this one, it will download here. Okay, like this it will download. I'm just cancelling. Okay, now this is 64-bit operating system. Mine is 32-bit operating system na. 64. Mine is 32-bit operating system means I need to select i386. Okay. Ubuntu desktop AMD 64 means for 64-bit operating system. For 36, Ubuntu desktop i386.iso. This is suitable for my machine. Okay, i386. That's why I'm downloading this one. For 64-bit users, you need to select Ubuntu 10.04 desktop AMD 64. This you need to select. For 32-bit users, 32-bit OS, you need to download this one. My system is 32-bit OS. Okay, that's why I am downloading 699 MB. This file size is 699 MB. Whereas this 64-bit users, the file size is 698 MB. Okay. Okay, there are different ISO files are there. Don't go for that. I want only .iso files. We are working on. Okay, for this one I am selecting and then I am downloading this one. This file will get take 15-30 minutes. Okay, based on your internet speed. I have already downloaded this. I am cancelling this. Okay, now it's okay. This is all about selecting and then downloading ISO file, proper Ubuntu ISO file. Okay, let's see. I have already downloaded. That is there in the Ubuntu 10.043 desktop. This one only I have downloaded. You see, i386. If I do, just copy this one. Just Control F this page. I am just searching. Paste. Yeah. Yeah, this file I have just downloaded. I have downloaded this file. This is for 32-bit. For 64-bit users, you need to go AMD 64. Okay, you need to download this one in this link. Okay, I'll add this link in the YouTube description channel in our description place. Okay. Okay. Now the Oracle VM VirtualBox is finished. You will get this icon in our desktop. Let's open this. Right click, open. Okay. This is called once Oracle VM VirtualBox is installed. This is the UI. Okay. And then my ISO file is also ready. Ubuntu 10.04. I have tried in the different versions. Let's see these different versions later. Okay. Now I have downloaded this 10.0.04.3 desktop IS4. This is there in downloads. See users Jesuita downloads. Okay. Okay. Now VirtualBox is opened. Okay. Now I am creating the new. Okay. Now type Ubuntu here. Ubuntu You can put any name. I am just Ubuntu learn, and I have kept like this. Okay, it will show you which operating system 32-bit. Okay, my system is 32-bit. It is showing 32-bit. Okay, it is showing like this Ubuntu 32-bit. You need to select Ubuntu here. Okay, 32-bit Ubuntu. Next, click next. Okay, if you want to give more space, you can give more space later also. Let it be next. Then create. Then next, next, and then create. Okay, now I have already installed some Ubuntu version Linux system. I am just deleting this VM. I am just delete all files. If you this option will delete all the operating system existing files, everything will clear. Okay, all this. Okay, I am deleting all files. Okay, I am creating a new virtual machine. Okay, Ubuntu machine. I'm creating Ubuntu. You can put any name inside this. Okay, my operating system is 32-bit. I have already downloaded. Under downloads, 32-bit Ubuntu desktop. Okay, that is located in C colon users Jesuita downloads. Okay, okay, I'm clicking the next button. Okay, I'm extending this. You can put anything memory. Okay, I'm just keeping until this. Okay, RAM size that Unix has to utilize. I'm clicking next. Just create and then click next and then click next and then click create. You can Unix will occupy 8 GB RAM hard disk. Okay, that is fine. Okay, click create. Okay, now I am starting normal start. This we have to click. Okay, you have to click this button normal start. I'm clicking this normal start. Okay, here at first we need to choose that ISO file that I already showed in the desktop, the downloads. I'm clicking the downloads. This is called this is the location that I have downloaded from internet. Okay, this is the file. Okay, I have selected that Ubuntu image, 32-bit image. Okay, I'm just clicking start. Let's see, ISO file is downloading now. You can close this unwanted thing. It will take some time to load this ISO file. Just a few minutes. We need to wait. Now install wizard is coming. Now I'm putting that install Ubuntu 10.04 LTS. Okay, just I'm clicking this button. Now we have to choose that which region. You have to choose India. Okay, if you click here, it will select India. Okay, India time zone. Then click forward. Okay, you can keep as it is. Keyboard layout USA only. Okay, let's forward. I'm clicking forward. Okay, just do click forward. Okay, now we have to give system name and then username and password. Okay, system name. I am given this training. Okay, password. This password, if you forget this password, again you need to delete and then reinstall this Ubuntu. That's why make sure you have to note this password. Okay, this cannot be recovered. Okay, click forward. Once the password is done, click forward. That username is training. Okay, my username. This is called username. Okay, login username. This is login password. This is computer name. Okay, forward. Click forward. Okay, then click install. It will load all the necessary installers and then it will install whatever the files required in this for this Ubuntu. Okay, it will take 10 to 15 minutes time to install all. Okay, after all the completion of this, we'll get this window. Okay, I'm just doing restart now to finish this application process. Now it looks installation is completed. Let's try to log in. Here see, please remove the at the end now. Please remove the disk and then close the tray if any, and then press enter. Just to click on the click on this area. Just to go there, just enter. Okay, now it will restart. You can see the status here, whether it is stopping, running, restarting, everything. Now we are getting login password. Okay, we need to add. This is the training user. I have given password at the time of installing. Okay, that password we need to enter here. I'm just login. First time login usually takes a little bit time because it will create home page, home folders, and it needs to create some user space and everything. That's why a little bit late it will be there. Right now the installation looks successful. Okay, I can go to applications, accessories, terminal. You can open terminal and then you can continue the other sessions, learning other sessions in the same channel. Okay, you can the complete Unix tutorial is available in this channel. You can go ahead and then continue the Unix tutorial. Okay. Okay, for closing this system, you need to shut down, not to close like this. Okay, for Ubuntu, okay, for closing the system, you need to shut down here, not here. Okay, right now status is running VirtualBox. Once shut down, let's see, I am shutting down. Here, this you need to press this button and then shut down. Okay, now the VM, I just stopped that VM. Okay. To start again, you need to go there and then normal start. Again to log in that VM, Linux Ubuntu VM. Then you can continue login to Ubuntu Linux VM with the user and then password. You can continue learning this course. See, I will log in here. My system is only 2 GB RAM. If anybody system has 4 GB RAM, the installation process will be very quicker. Okay. Quicker than what I have taken the time. Okay, that's all about yeah, Unix that Ubuntu Linux installation on Windows. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing other sessions also. Okay, in this channel.